Hi everyone, I appreciate you all logging in for this week's virtual check-in meeting. To start off our meeting this week, I would like to discuss a new policy that is being introduced related to students' social media use off campus and the district's role in this. This information is presented on this infographic, which will be shared via email after this meeting. When introducing policies, it is important to apply them both ethically and equitably by evaluating each situation as it arises, applying the policy consistently, and upholding the student's rights as dictated by the law. This will help build trust between students and families and the school, which helps develop a positive school culture where expectations are clear, safety is prioritized, and students feel valued. This will help strengthen the climate of our school community where everyone feels protected and there is a feeling of mutual respect amongst the school community. The new policy states that while the district cannot control students' use of social media off campus, it must determine whether off-campus social media posts will have a significant impact to the learning environment, cause a general disruption, or violate the rights of others. This policy relates to the case of Mahanoy Area School District versus BL, which in this case, student BL tried out for the cheerleading team. However, after not making the team, BL posted a photo with a vulgar caption, which was then seen by school officials. Once this was seen, the student was banned from the team for a year. Family then schooled for violation of her First Amendment rights. And in this case, the Supreme Court found that her First Amendment rights were violated as her actions did not cause a significant disruption to activities at school. The action steps that the district will take to implement the policy and reduce issues surrounding social media off campus include implementing a digital citizenship curriculum to support all students from K through 12 in learning how to navigate the digital world, as well as learning responsible use of technology, including social media. Next, parent training related to social media will be provided to parents and families in understanding social media and how they can protect their children in the digital world. The district can provide resources and in-person training or virtual trainings to families. Finally, communication of policies. The district will communicate to families the policies related to social media and any changes that might occur throughout the school year, depending on laws that might be passed at the state or federal level. Finally, the introduction of a new policy reminds us that as staff and professionals, it is important that we model ethical behavior in personal conduct and relationships in an authentic manner. We can do this by being honest, true, and transparent when making decisions and working through challenges that arise. Modeling these behaviors sets an example for our students and colleagues and upholds our mission and vision statement for our district, as well as building a school culture and climate where accountability, trust, and respect are present. Thank you so much for joining our check-in meeting for this week. Please do not hesitate to reach out with any additional questions or concerns related to this new policy. I hope you all have a wonderful rest of your day.